In our previous lecture, you've seen how to use if and else statements in Python to compare your conditions. In this lecture, I'm going to talk to you guys about something called as nested if, which is not that different from the if statement, but it's just that you put that in different way. Basically, nested if statement is the layers of if conditions. So if the first if condition is true, it goes for the second one and it goes on. So you can have unlimited nested if statements, but most of the programs will not have more than one or two. Right, let me just quickly show you guys how this is done so you'll have a better understanding. So firstly, I need a variable to compare it, and I'm going to call it as item. Let me call it as items, not call it item. Right, item is equals to fruits, perhaps, yeah. And then I'm going to create another variable called fruit is equals to apple, and then I need an if condition. And remember, to write the if condition you first need to write the if keyword and then comes your condition. So if item is equals to fruits, then it's going to do something, and if it's false it's going to do something else. So if it's false, let's just print out, um, let's say this is not a fruit, yeah. And then if the if condition is true, then you're gonna add another if condition, and for that let's call it as if fruit is equals to um, apple, then it's gonna do something, and for that let's just print out this fruit is an apple. And if it's false, you're gonna write something else. So let's say print this is not this fruit is not available, something like that, just for an example, and make sure you put two equals to sign because you're comparing one variable to another variable or value. If you just put one equals to sign, that's an assigning operator. I'm going to talk to you guys about more about the comparison and the assignment operators in the next lecture. Right, so once you have done that, you can go ahead and run this file. So I'm gonna run the module on the IDE. So it says this fruit is an apple because the first condition is true. It's gonna check whether the item is equals to fruits, and that's true. And it checks the next condition, which is if fruit is equal to apple, that's true as well. So it's gonna print out this statement. Let's just quickly change the values and see if it works. I'm gonna put that as an animal, then save that, and then run the module. So now it says this is not a fruit because the first if statement is false, and it directly jumps onto the else statement of this if. It doesn't go to the next if statement within this one. I don't know how to put that in correct sentence, but this if statement is within this one. So if the first one is false, it doesn't go into the next one, it just directly goes to the else statement. And if you change this fruits, and if you change this to something like mango, then it still does print this one. So let's see if that works. So now it says this fruit is not available because the fruit is not equals to apple, it's equals to mango, which is not true. And this is how you put the nested if statements. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, or if you guys have learned something from this lecture, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next lecture. Thank you.